Hey Slimers, welcome to Will It Slime. I'm just hanging out in the slime room here getting ready for a video today, which is slime food versus real food. Look at that. This is our challenge. It's the breakfast edition. We've got bacon. We've got eggs. I made mine too sticky. And of course, we've got cereal. That looks like the real thing. It could get a little crazy.
Look at that. Look at that.
Are you ready? Let's go. We're starting off with some bacon. It's delicious. No, don't eat raw bacon. No, we're gonna do cooked bacon. Slime bacon. You ready? I love bacon. It's so delicious. Bacon makes it. This is cold. It's better than cold. It's still good though because bacon's awesome. First thing we need, clear glue. Ready? A little bit of clear glue for you. Are you still chewing your bacon? That was just a prop. You weren't really supposed to eat that bacon. Alright, clear glue. We need some Stay Flow. Stop Flow, Stay Flow, call it what you want. Good.
Oh my gosh, it just turned into slime right there.
That is weird. Ooh. Stay Flow! Ooh, Stay Flow stinks that. Stay Flow.
Pull it out. I'm smart. I pulled it out.
Hey guys, we want you to make sure that you comment down below who you think is winning this competition as we go further. Does Riley's look more like the food, or does mine look more like the real food? There's your clay. Here's my clay. The reason I'm mixing it with clear is because we're gonna add color to this, and if I use white slime, excuse me. If I used white slime, it would just be even harder to color. I'm sorry. Look at that. Look at that. Oh! Oh! 3 pieces.
1, 2,
okay.
3.
Try not to get that on your fingers too much.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. And we keep doing these brown slimes. This brown is disgusting.
I'm getting stupid.
I wondered what you were doing. We're making brown slime, everybody. Brown slime. We're making brown slime. That's what you were doing. Blend, blend, blend. I'm getting there and you're like not. And I'm gonna beat you. I need more brown. I need more brown. I'm adding my red. These are like little miniature slimes. Hey guys, if you haven't done it yet already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then hit that notifications bell so that you never miss a new video from Will It Slime. Go ahead. We'll wait. We'll wait. Shh, shh. We'll wait. Go ahead. Okay, did you hit that subscribe button? I hope you did, and I hope you hit that notifications bell. Because if you did, you're awesome! Alright, I'm just blending all my stuff here to see what I can get here. Actually, that might be about the right color for that.
Ew, that looks like... That's disgusting.
Look at a tongue laying there. No, this bacon's horrible. Show your bacon. Show your bacon. It does not look like bacon.
Done your color that way. All I did was mix some red and brown and voila. Done.
Bacon.
You're backing.
Bacon.
You're backing.
Alright, I think we both lost this round because I don't think either one of these look like bacon.
That looks like bacon.
I think if I had to pick a winner, I would probably pick me. Because I like to pick me as the winner, so most likely me. You can't even tell the difference, right? What does yours look like? No. I won. We both lost, but I beat you. And we are done with the bacon. Let us know in the comments down below who won the bacon. Bacon is probably lost. If I had to pick a winner out of the two of us, I'd probably pick me though. Okay guys, for our next slime food challenge, we're making a slime egg. Okay, we gotta make slime that looks like this egg. No, I'm just kidding. Not really. Okay, slime egg, like.
That.
We are gonna make the slime egg. You ready?
With that really, really weird thing in it. Oh my gosh!
Oh, jeez, golly, every time. We're supposed to be using our mats.
Oh. I was wondering
prettier.
what those
There we
were
go.
for.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crack an egg on my head.
Oh, I should have done that. That would have been funny. Should I have cracked an egg on Riley's head? Let us know in the comments below. Next time.
Slow your moving.
It's gross. Hey guys, real quick before we make the yellow, let's do a 3-second smash that like button challenge. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, set. Hold up, wait. That wasn't the challenge, that was the countdown to the challenge. The challenge starts now. What I want you to do? As soon as we start the challenge, I want you to smash that like button as fast as you can. Are you ready? Get set, go. 3, 2, 1. Did you smash that like button? I hope you did, because if you did, you're awesome. If you didn't, you're still pretty cool. But you're not as awesome as people who did it. Time to make the yolk. Now we need our clear glue to make our yolk.
How tiny are yolks gonna be?
Ooh,
More! I
well,
want more! I
that's
want
good.
more! I want it to overflow!
We're gonna put some yellow food coloring in. 1 drop,
2 drops, 3 drops,
4, 5, 6, 7. Because all we have are these tiny little bowls and tiny little stir sticks.
I'm just gonna stir my slime up. I'm just gonna stir my little tiny slime.
Stay flow.
Come on, stay low. Go!
Hey, get out of here.
I got no patience. Me doing.
Here's my yolk. Here's my yolk, everybody.
Oh, fancy. You make me pick my egg up.
I can't. I made mine too sticky.
Oh my gosh.
Whose egg looks better? My egg or Riley's egg? Oh, you just busted your yolk. Let us know in the comments below. Next breakfast slime food challenge is cereal. Ooh, these are kind of, I thought these would be brighter. Now for our,
Why are you looking at me?
I don't know, now for some milk. Look at that. This is our challenge. We're gonna make this. Random shout out! Our first random shout out goes to Kayla Brown. Kayla says, "Early Squad, can I get a shout out or a comment back? I love your vids because I love slime and your kids are super adorable. Also, can you do some water slime or everyday slimes? Fire! Hard eyes, hard eyes, hard eyes, hard eyes." Yes, thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. And yes, we will do more of those slimes coming up very soon. We need white glue for our milk.
You hungry?
I am hungry.
Ooh.
Stay flow.
Ooh.
Over the head. Stay flow. Hey guys, don't forget, let us know in the comments who you think Let us know in the comments who you think you are. Who are you? Let us know in the comments below who you think is winning. Look at the big drips. We need our cereal. Here's some cereal.
It's not blue.
Well, I don't care. Mine's gonna be even more colorful.
Cheater!
Mine looks just like the real thing. You can't even tell the difference. I've gone crazy. I've gone cereal crazy. Look how delicious. Who wouldn't want a nice, yummy... Who won the cereal slime challenge? Clearly mine looks more like the real thing.
Clearly you cheat.
I'll give you yours. Yours does look prettier, and I may have cheated. That looks like the real thing. Hey guys, if you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you never miss a new video from Will It Slime. Oh wait, I almost forgot, major. You may have noticed that we recently hit 1 million subs. And because of that, we've got some big things coming up. We'll do some special videos and a big giveaway. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at WillitSlime. And I gotta get out of here before she pours out on my head.